3 words, guys: bacon, eggs, noodles. Wait, maybe one more word: spicy. Okay, that's all you need to know. These are my Korean style bacon and egg noodles. Bacon and eggs, but also with noodles. Epic and spicy sauce. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Let's get going on the spicy sauce. First of all, I'm starting out with some Korean gochujang chili paste. I mean, this stuff is like a pantry staple for me. It is full of flavor, it's spicy, it's got all the feels. All right, so we want a good whack of that. And we also need some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, and just a little dash of sugar. So all pantry ingredients, really simple, and we just give that a mix. And we're ready to get sizzling with our bacon. Now I just need a little bit of oil here to get my bacon started. And then my bacon, of course. And now you just want to let that bacon do its thing in there for a couple of minutes or until we're starting to get some nice little brown bits and pieces. All right, now we want to let that bacon do its thing in there for a good, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. I want to start to see some nice little burnished brown edges. So while that's happening, I'm going to whisk our eggs. Okay, so now the bacon is looking pretty damn magical. We've got some lovely little brownie bits happening here. I'm gonna go in with just some finely sliced like Napa cabbage that I've got, or Chinese cabbage, or wombok, a couple of different names, but you know what I mean. Some nice crunchy cabbage. All right, so just toss that around until that cabbage looks nice and tender. Okay. And now you can see that there's quite a nice little layer of bacon fat in there. I am not afraid of the bacon fat. I embrace the bacon fat. But if you would like to take some of it out, you can. I won't judge. But what I'm going to do is leave it in, and I'm going to add in my eggs. Okay, so at this point I want to get my noodles into some boiling water, and just when they're starting to break apart, I want to get them straight into my pan. Now pour in your sauce. Now just toss everything together. Now we need a little bit of spring onion here just to green up things a bit. And that, my friends, is looking like one very glorious noodle dish. Let's get it out onto a plate. And there we go, bacon and eggs done my way, spicy with noodles, with all the good things. You know, this is just the kind of dish that really makes me so happy. Oh, so you get the bacon, obviously. Bacon makes everything better, but then you've got this creamy egg, you've got this spicy gochujang. So yum.